So here's a quick tip for all of you who want your chord progressions to stand out and sound a lot more impressive. Try this. And what I did here is I made a simple minor triad. I just picked a random note, made a triad out of it, and then I added a note that sounds very obviously wrong. And together, does not sound super great, but it does sound tense. Here's the same triad, but with a note that's one lower than that A. So I ended up picking some random spots for these stacks of chords, and they sound like this. Tension with the release, and then with the drums. You can already get a sense of where the melody should go. So that's my one tip.